In this demo, we're going to learn about our new launch site indicators and how to interact with them in our Map tab. In order to show our launch site circles or indicators on our map, we must first enable Show Launch Sites in AltosUI settings in our application settings. With launch sites turned on, you can now see what appears to be many small blue dots all over the map. As you zoom into one or more of them, they become translucent circles with a blue outline and finally large enough that you can interact with each of them. Tap on one of these circles to learn which launch site this is and to see the URL for the website. This is actually a link, you can tap on it. When you get to a launch site where you already have recorded flights, when you tap on the circle, the flights are hidden and the launch site callout is instead shown. Along with the launch site name, you can see a link to the website for the launch site. Tapping on that link takes you to a web browser outside of our app. To return, just press the AltosUI little back button at the top left corner of the website. That's it for this demo. You now know how to enable and interact with our new launch site circles. Thank you for watching.